Today I'm doing my first outdoor video apart from my bouncy castle one, but I'm showing you guys how to make a wooden anvil. I've already started this, but it's going to be able to stand up sort of like that, but if you need, it's going to be able to sort of like curve it so you've got a thinner edge, so we can do some blacksmithing and that on it. So we've got my knife and my hammer. That's all you'll need is a hammer, some sort of knife or a big hatchet, but I'm just going to be taking off chunks and that, so we can get down some buzzards. Where was I actually working on this bit? So what you want to do is you want to start from like the bottom where you'll be standing it up, and you're going to have a flat bit, but then on each side it's going to be like curved-ish, but not curved, like another flat bit. If I just turn the camera so you guys can see. It needs to be like a flat, like stand your anvil up on. Alright, but there's this barky bit, and obviously you don't want to be cutting on that, so what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and take that off in a few seconds. Actually, I think we might do it in a minute. You need to make sure these like corner bits sort of equal, like symmetrical in each side. Don't need to be too symmetrical and too thingy, just like as best as you can. And just test it so I can have it like this, like that, like that. But I'm obviously going to sort this barky bit out. You're going to need some sort of log. Also, the bits that I get from this, I'm going to keep because I can use it as firewood and that when I go camping. I might be taking my tablet with me so I can film. Alright, that's too much to cut off. I need to cut off little bits at a time. It'll be hard. Just like you can't really scrape down it because there's little lumps, but give it a quick go. So this is just going to be like a blacksmith bench, like a wooden anvil sort of. Because I know a lot of people do like want an anvil, but they don't want like to buy a metal one, or they can't make a metal one. So I just came up with this idea to make a wooden one, but it's not like a proper anvil, it's just like a different type of anvil. Like a crafting bench, you know what I mean. Now you're going to need a hatchet for this bit, so there's bits that are still on there, but I want to hatchet them off. It's not going to work, so I'm going to try and use my knife and maybe chop in a bit. About there. Wrong way. That's it, just chop in. It's like that. This will make your anvil a bit smaller, but it's going to make it more accurate. It's going to be a lot more accurate than it would have been. Hold on. Done that the wrong way. About there. You need to make this as flat as you can though. Hold on, I need to put this case back on the X. almost there. Ah, crying out loud. And so it's like just like that for the few seconds. There we go. So you see, you can get these, just store them, and then use them for when I go camping, or you guys can store them or throw them away, or whatever you want to do with them. Or you can use them for different things. You can use them for firewood. Or you can use them to build stuff out of, which I might actually do with me anvil. If you want, you can actually carve stuff into this. So I might carve like anvil, do not break. Wiggle my knife up that way. I need to take my knife out so re-join it in. That's a bit better. Hammer it back down. You might blunt your knife a tiny bit by doing this, and on the top, like the metal will get blunt on top of the knife, but that don't really matter because you're not cutting with that bit. I've got this sound stuck in my head. There we go. You see, I've always got that little bit of bark. Just need to make it more straight. Like, I need to make this bit flat and then curvish, sort of curve the edges. You know what I mean? If you're wondering what's in this bag, it's just other logs. You can either buy logs or you can just find them. Finding them is a whole lot cheaper, by the way. Or you can chop down trees if you have a license or whatever. You need to chop down trees. Okay, so if you can hear like kids in the background, it's just my friends playing out. So I'll carry on with this. Keep doing that. You can see it's almost like, but I'm just getting the last bits and smoothing it out this back. There we go. Lift my knife out again and just chuck it down and just nail it through. That's it. That's alright. That bit's flat now, and that bit we can use. I'm just going to smoothen out these corners and that. That's too far. So, you need to make sure you don't put your knife, if you've got not a great knife but an okay knife like mine isn't one of the best of knives, but it's okay. Don't put it too far in unless you've got a really good knife that's really sharp, because otherwise, yeah, your knife will actually get stuck in and it's hard to pull out. Like mine, I have to go to it because it's really hard to pull out, and mine was like just a bit of a centimetre in. You pull my knife out a bit because that's hard to get out. I need to pull it out a tiny bit. Push it through. There we go. God, this is tiring. This is so tiring. Oh, yeah. There we go. Right there. Oh, yes. There we go. We'll fight them on the beaches. We'll fight them in the landing grounds. One thing we will never give up. Something like that. Love Mr. Churchill. I think I'm gonna go like that bit's gonna be a bigger, like a thicker side than this one. Something like that. Yeah, if you make one side, that side flat, and then do that, and then I'm just trying to work out what is the best way for doing it. I think I need to make this bit more on an angle. What you basically need to do is make it so it's like a brick, but something that's suitable for you. Like I'm not saying everyone should use it the same way I use it. I'm saying like the basic, like use it how you like to craft. Like use your own sort of technique. Or like what the main thing that you're going to be crafting, you'll need an anvil that's like suitable for that item. Like obviously you're going to want to craft other things, but if you're mainly crafting one thing, then you're going to need an anvil that's suitable for that. So you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Taking chunks down this bit. That failed quite badly actually. Right. Yeah. Take a chunk, not just that bit, the whole strip. Alright. Make this bit move. It needs to be in line with this, that's why. Right, I'm making this more suitable for me than you guys because, well, I'm the one going to be using it. And maybe if I straight that. No. The problem is you can't get it too small because if you keep doing this, it's going to get smaller and smaller. That's the only priority because I need it like straight and like how I need it, but because of the way I'm doing it, I keep like changing the way I need it, and so it's getting smaller and smaller. But I think I've got it now. Once I've took this bit off, I need to take another bit off, and then I've got it. So and I just need to pull this bit off, and then there we go. I think that's my anvil now. Done now. Not sure. No. I'll do some crafting on this instead. Alright. Okay, so that's my anvil done. You can see, so I can chop on this bit. I can chop that way, like if I need to chop any wood, have it there like that, and then just go chop for it. But you know, that's not chopping so well. Yeah. I can also chop it like that. And if I do need to do anything like big ways or anything, so sorry about them. You know, so it's quite a cool anvil. Make sure you make ones yourself. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.